Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to play Washing Dishes by Jack Johnson. So take a guitar, put a capo on the 3rd frets and follow along. And the morning when the dawn came away, before you knew me, I knew your name. It was written on a day as it fades, a reflection on a window frame. When you saw me out your window, singing from the garden, only the beginning, I'm only getting started. I don't mind digging, baby, I'll work harder. I've been washing dishes, singing from the bottom, but one day I'll be running this place, and one day I can take you away. But I want you to wonder what's my name, 'cause I need you to want me to sing. When you saw me washing dishes, singing from the garden, only the beginning, I'm only getting started. I don't mind digging, baby, I'll work harder. I've been in the ashes, singing from the bottom, where everything reaches the sun. Still unsure of what we'll become, but I need you to reach out to me, seeing me more than I could see. 'Cause I'm afraid that one day there's only 2 words we say. I don't wanna let them get in our way. All these plans that we should be making right now, right now. Who took the time and where did they take? I wanna take it back, I don't wanna let them break it. All these plans that we should be making right now, right now. One day I'll be running this place, and one day I can take you away. But I want you to wonder what's my name, 'cause I want you to want me to say. When you saw me washing dishes, singing from the garden, only the beginning, I'm only getting started. I don't mind digging, baby, I'll work harder. I've been in the ashes, singing from the bottom. One day there's only 2 words we say. I don't wanna let them get in our way. Of all these plans that we should be making right now, right now. Who took the time and where did they take? I wanna take it back, I don't